Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Broski. Today in this quick tutorial video I just want to show you how to install Android or Google TV to your PC or laptop. So if you just want to do this, you have to open the browser of your PC, then you can type here Android studio. So once it's got the result on the top, just click to open the website and you're going to click to download, and after that you're going to tick this one and download the latest version of the Android studio to your PC. It's about 1 GB. You have to wait and it's going to be downloaded, and I already downloaded and installed to my PC. Just going to launch it here on my PC by clicking over here by opening that in my PC. And here you can see, once you just open the Android studio in your PC, just click on add a new device, then you're going to click on create a virtual device, and here you're going to just come over here on TV and you can choose any of these TVs. For example, just going to choose 100 to 18p resolution, and you can say I got Android and Google TV, and today I just want to install Android TV. And scroll down, just checking out for RAM. I'm just going to use 4 GB of RAM, and if you just want to download the Google TV, you can choose the Google TV. Once I just click to finish, it's going to download about 1 GB of Android TV, and I already downloaded and just gonna launch it here on my PC. Here you can see it's just loading up my Android TV in my Android Studio application in my PC. So I'm just going to wait for it. Once it has been done, I'm just going to show you how to just use it. As you can see, our Android TV is ready, and time to sign in our Gmail account in the Play Store of our Android TV to download the applications. So I'm just going to search for Google Play Store, and after that just going to click to use the sign in button to sign my Gmail account. And here you can see time to sign in. Once I just sign my account, just can use all of these applications in my Android TV. For example, I'm just going to download the HBO Max to my Android TV. I just installed in my PC. Once I click on install, it's just loading up the HBO Max, and click to open it. Okay, here you can see it's working great. So this is all about how to install Android or Google TV to your PC. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends if you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.